So right here is the Diablo wheel cleaner. Now I am going to use that on my Ford Freestyle here, and it's for all wheel types, so that's nice to know. Wicked strong, and well, that's French. I can't read French. Printing's awfully small, but I did read it. Spray it onto the wheel, this wheel right here, and hopefully, well, it will have to be scrubbed down a bit. I have my scrubby brush, so I got my scrubby brush. I'll scrub the wheel down with it, and then spray it again, and then gotta wash it off. And I'm going to do that to the front and the back wheel and see how well it works. So look how dirty the wheel is beforehand. It's pretty bad. It's actually not very good. The back one's a little cleaner, but the front one is pretty dirty. So I'm going to give her a spray in a second, and we'll get started. Alright, let's spray her on there and get this thing going. Oh, it's kind of interesting. It's thick. It's got a nice smell, but it is thick. Thicker than I thought it would be. Let me get the back wheel. Alright, I can see it's already working. A little more on so I can scrub her. Got my scrubber. Give her a little scrubby here. Taking it off pretty good. Pretty well. Like a bloody mess down here, but this stuff seems to be working. Okay, well, let's spray her off. Let's leave that. Let's go to the back one. I am not going to scrub this one, and I'm just going to spray her down, see if it cleans. Well, first let's look at the one I scrubbed down. Now, what do I see? It's clean. Scrubbing it down, got all the dirt off, even worked on the tire a bit. Wow, I am impressed. And now, the one I did not scrub down. Yeah, it didn't work nearly as good, did it? So, you should use a scrubber when you use these cleaners. But, I'll say it worked great. The front one's clean. It looks great. Diablo here did a great job. I'm quite impressed with it. I'll be using it in the future. It smells pleasant, so that's actually a nice thing. And yeah, I will totally use this in the future. I think it's a good buy to clean your wheels. It does a really nice job if you use a scrubber with it. If you don't want to use a scrubber, then maybe this isn't the product for you. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.